Okay, so good morning everyone, especially to our instructor. Good morning, ma'am. So, but before I start my report, so for those who don't know me, please allow me to introduce myself first. So, by the way, my name is Alberto Orbanes, a second year from the College of Forestry and Environmental Science. So, this morning, before I proceed to my report, I just wanted to say that I want this class to be cooperative, because in this report, we all of us here kining makakuan kita kining murag makonect our natag mga personal experiences already ko sa organization topics. So, but before that, I have here some pictures that I'm going to show you guys on the PPT, and all you want to do is to guess the pictures, and you are going to say whatever your point of view, no? So here's the picture. So guess the picture. So do you think what this picture tells about? Sa isa lang sa una. So that's right now.
In my own understanding, or in my own view, as I see the picture, I can see that a bird that is free. So when you say free, it has its freedom to do whatever you want to do. So I think that the topic that we're going to tackle is all about freedom.
Okay, so thank you so much. So any other hand? So may idea? About sa freedom? Ikaw mo siya din sa freedom. Wala? Sure ba? So our topic for today's morning is all about freedom. So as we all know naman, but before that, let's read first our learning objectives. So anyone from the class, kita ka na magbasa. So for the number 1.
Discuss the rules of God besides on freedom. Justify that freedom is important in making moral decisions.
Okay, so but before that, let's define what the freedom really means. So freedom is a power or right to act, speak, or think as one wants without hindrances or restraint. So I think, I guess anybody of us here already know what the freedom really means, right? Because since we are elementary back then, we have the idea na kasi when our teachers, no, back then were nagdudunan na siya to what the freedom really means or kung saan yung pasabot, right? Because when we say freedom, marami kasing mga types of freedom, which is freedom of speech, freedom of choice, physical freedom, economic freedom, and so on and so forth. So marami siya. So, but sorry. So the example for that is that we are free to do whatever we want, and especially right now we have the freedom to choice. And then it comes to the MSC, right? And of course, we have the freedom to use the social media that we have right now in this kind of generation. And we realize that it's different in a lot of ways, right? So it's different in a lot of ways. You are a lot more people-minded yet, but we are also more stuck in ourselves. As we all know that the technology has connected us to information and to people around the world, but at the same time, we've lost touch with activities right outside our door, right? So, did you know that the freedom had a limit? Because imagine in a world in where we have the rights, or we have this what we call the freedom to do whatever we want. So, ano ang posibleng mangyayari? So, yan siya magtabo. Ano ay mga negativity nga magtabo sa ako nga bansa. So the example for that is, katong nakakita ko sa video, katong babae ka muna sa Facebook. So ang nakita ko kasi ato is, katulog na siya, gabilib siya nga kuan, naan siya yung freedom. It means nga, kuan ba, she wants, kung siya gusto, dapat patuman siya, naan siya yung freedom. Pero against ganun siya. So yung gibuhat is, katong naamang sa, nakita ko siya sa kuan, sa karsada. So ang nakita mo ato is katong sa pikas kadaya is daw siya kanihan. Kaya dito ang God kay where sa mga na-event. So ang ibuhat niya, ay nang masuto siya gagal. Hindi na pagkahuman, ay gilaga sa mga polis. Then murang kuan ba, para nakabantay siya nga, nakpan siya. So murang nakabantay siya nga, ipicturan siya ba? So nakalat siya nga, hala, picturean ko ni sir. Picture to sir.